this is Mama Julie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to fix a hole in your lock, or how to fix a lock that is unraveling. And if you're interested in this video, follow and continue watching. Okay, so first of all, you will need crochet needle, and this is a 0.5 millimeter crochet needle. You will need that for the repair, and of course if you need any clips or stuff to part your hair. So as you can see, the hole that is currently showing in this hair, so that is the crochet needle. It has a small hook even at the end, so you just use the needle to poke through the hair. Where the hole is, just poke through, and the hook pulls the hair in and out. It tangles the hair. Instead of the curl pattern that is straight, the hook tangles the hair. It pulls the hair in and out, in and out, in and out, and that tangles the hair. So as you are doing that, so I roll the hair in between my thumb and my index finger, so just to give it that round look. So you keep doing that until the hole is fixed. And also another way is also to see, you can see this hair is unraveling, this lock is unraveling. So I'm going to fix that also with a crochet needle, doing the same method, just poking through, back and forth, and then rolling the hair between my thumb and my index finger, and that is tangling the hair back and forth, and whilst rolling the hair as well to disturb the curl pattern, and that makes the hair to tangle. And you keep doing that, you will not see any hole. Yes, and this is how I fix my hair that is unraveling. I used to just rip the hair apart and have to twist it all over again, especially with the hose. Rip it apart and then twist, but not anymore with this technique. I use the crochet needle, and it's a quick fix. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.